Hey foodies, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making a sticky barbecue oxtail that melts in your mouth. If you end up liking the video, consider subscribing. I'm Alex, the Feel Good Chef. Now let's get this video on the road. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, you want to place the oxtail in a large metal pot. We're going to boil it for about 3.5 hours. We add some oxtail, some green onions, all-purpose seasoning, crushed ginger, half an onion, 1 hot whole chili, about 12 cloves of garlic, soy sauce. We're gonna add some water, add some more water, Jamaican food browning, paprika. We're gonna cook this for about 3 hours. Alright, so this is what the cooked oxtail looks like. I'm gonna take this out, dredge them in the barbecue sauce and place them on the grill. If you guys want to learn how to make the barbecue sauce, I can always do a video on the channel, but you have to leave in the comment section stating that you want to learn how to make the barbecue sauce. Alright, I'm going to put these on the grill. I'm going to lay these down on the grill. We're going to let these grill for about half an hour, then we should be good to turn them on the opposite side. Alright, let's turn these over. Okay guys, so this is what the big barbecue oxtail looks like. If you like the video, remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for new videos.